enjoyed my last video when I was reading B. Now I'm going to read A Busy Day for Birds. And today I'm joined with my sloth Sunny by Lucy Cousins. This is all the birds when they're awake, except for the owl because he's nocturnal. Can you imagine for just one day you're a busy bird, and yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up, up into the sky. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say hello, darling, then swoop down like a starling. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall, just on one leg. Then say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing tra-la-la-la, tweet, 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 peck, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow, run up like an ostrich, go, go, go. Show off your tail and wriggle your feathers. Now sit in your nest and cuddle together. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Twit-twoo, hoot-hoot. And now this is all the birds asleep except for the owl.